Search engine optimization, don't worry about it. We have a tool for you. So you want to right now boost your SEO. So click the link to get to InternetG's free SEO listing tool to get your website listed and start getting inspection leads sent to your website. Remember, updating your profile gets you free inspection leads. You don't have a website? Well, we'll build one in this masterclass in the next few videos. So don't worry about it. And it's easy. If you could write an inspection report, which is creating pages, writing text, and uploading images, that's your inspection report, right? That's the same thing as a website. Same skill set. So if you're writing inspection reports, and I know you are because you're a home inspector, you can build your own free website that looks beautiful. And I'll show you how to build a free website. We already took a look at one of those websites, bigbeninspections.com, but we're going to go over the step-by-step process on how to build a website. So to use the InternetG search engine optimization SEO listing tool, you need a website first. So don't worry about that. We'll get to it. But let's take a look at the SEO listing tool, and so we can apply some of these simple steps. So you click the link, and it looks like this. It's very simple. So start here, the local SEO listing tool. This is going to be associated with your InternetG listing. So you have zip codes and a website and your address and your phone number and your company name and your website URL, your website address. All of that is going to be entered in here so that we can help you get placed on the internet in relationship with Google searches. That's the biggest search. And also having your correct URL of a website. If you don't have a website, it's okay. We're going to do it in this class. So click the link and take a look at that free online SEO listing tool.